Nitin Kamat's favorite question is to ask other people like, do you see the value of doing a master's in
My
today's
favorite
time?
question as well. I'm
What
always
would you-
confused.
Imagine you are a 25-year-old boy from Bangalore. What would you tell him? Yeah, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg.
मार्क का भी किया क्या उसने?
नहीं,
मार्क जुकरबर्ग का।
3 years, nothing. 22 to 25 is nothing. 25 years. 3 years job experience is important.
See, I feel like a master's role in upgrading a person's life in terms of, let's suppose you were getting a master's from US, right? You were talking about this before, right? You get to break into a market which was not accessible to you before because you didn't have the prior requirement, right? And you get to do that, right? You're living in India and you're paying like what 40% tax and you're not getting anything in return. Whereas there you're still gonna pay tax, but hey, you're with people that are like-minded, are more civilized, right? Although that's a different thing that they're complaining about us being us lacking civic sense for most part.
I
Right?
won't put it so generally.
Yeah, it's not. See,
Right.
you're 1.5 billion. All of us can't be alike.
No, but the thing is,
Not all of them also can't be alike, right?
For sure.
You should
there is
comment, like,
something about
generally.
so the spices in our food makes our sweat
Smelly. कौन कहता है?
weird, smelly.
Who says?
A lot of people on Reddit.
Bro, a lot
Yeah,
of
so
people,
that is
everything-
generalized,
That's
no?
right.
See, even
It's not
we know that
generalized.
some of the Indian men smell
The
bad and
onion,
they sweat a lot.
the
right?
onion
I
and the
know.
garlic, man. It's a
Yeah.
lot.
Anyways, coming to that point.
Coming back
Right.
to good point, good discussions. Yeah.
Good discussion, which is a lot of the times this particular value that a master's degree brings to a 25-year-old like Nikhil Kamath says is so underplayed, right? I know skill matters a lot, right? You'd rather do it and then figure out your own shit and then keep on working on the service of the product that you're trying to bring to the market. But man, try and think about a guy who doesn't want to take ownership of a business and just wants a good and settled life, a job, right? He's skilled enough to provide his value to a company which needs it, right? Why doesn't it make sense for him to apply, spend some amount of money, go into debt for 1 or 2 years, come out of it, and then have a
makes
nice settled life in US or UK if their immigration so allows, right?
But the debt shouldn't be great. Like it shouldn't be enormous.
The very personal choice, by like what do you want, and I think for his podcast, I think his target audience is those people who want to start something of their own. So makes sense that he asks question from that perspective.
If
So,
you're
yeah.
getting something like Stanford, then maybe. But otherwise, I don't think it's all the schools. I mean, no-name schools are
I don't
sort of
care.
the same.
Like, bro, it's a personal choice. You have money, you want to do it.
Obviously, if you have money, then yeah, obviously.
The personal choice, how important it, like if you're going to regret it for your whole life that I didn't take debt and I didn't do masters, then
Yeah.
don't
I'm
live
not
in
saying-
regret. That's
Exactly.
it. My
No
every
regret.
life decision is
No,
like
it
this.
shouldn't be
If
enormous debt.
if it is not letting you sleep well at night, then just do it. Okay.
Of course.
Don't regret it. That's it.